Hey everybody, it's Mike here at Find Your Cards with a single box break of Superlative Vault Hockey from In the Game 14-15. Lots of great hits in here, some cool old stuff and some newer stuff. So here's hoping for some big pulls tonight. Alright, before we get started, we're going to get the eBay current time up on the screen here for those of you watching the recorded version. Okay, we'll do a little refresh there. And happy Sunday evening, getting ready for the start of the work week. We got 22/16/04 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, everybody, I'd like to wish you all good luck. Let's go. Randoms, of course, will be held at the end. Let's see something huge tonight. I'm looking for something big. October 14th, 1970. Blue and white debut. Blue version, it is numbered out of 9. Daryl Sittler for the Leafs. Sittler for the Leafs. That's a good start. And there we go. Those originally were out of 9. A great start. Of course, Daryl Sittler, one of the all-time great Leafs. And, of course, 10 points in a single game. We have a game-used jersey. Ooh, this is a nice big one. It's a 3-color with a big old patch in it. And it's for the Boston Bruins. It's the gold version. 1 of 9. Tim Thomas. So I just had to knock that back down. Tim Thomas. Sweet. That's a big 3-color. And out of 9 originally. And woo, this is nice. We got Superlative jumbo numbers for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Wow, this is a beauty. Silver version numbered out of 4 for the Penguins. That's a lot of color on that there. Jagr. Sweet. That's a beauty. Try to get that patch up there. Nice and close. That's a beauty for the Penguins there tonight. Wow. Nice. Originally out of 4. Sweet. A beauty. And we're going to finish it off good. We have a Holy Grail. 2-color. Silver version. For the Montreal Canadiens. Guy Lafleur. Holy Grail. Guy Lafleur. What a box. That was a great box. Silver version out of 9. So we got Guy Lafleur. Quick little recap. Guy Lafleur. This nasty, nasty Jaromir Jagr. That's just an insane one. Sweet. Timmy Thomas. 3-color. And, of course, none other than Mr. tongue-tied Daryl Sittler. Alright, everybody, thanks again. It's Mike here at Find Your Cards. Always appreciate joining breaks. Tomorrow I got Prime, and I believe it's Ultimate. So, been a while since we've gotten some Prime. Looking forward to it. So, hopefully we'll see you tomorrow night. And thanks again. We'll talk to you all soon.